sharing with you my newest purchase. It's the DJI dual wireless microphone setup. I think this is going to make a big difference in me doing my videos. I'm not going to do an actual unboxing. I'm going to open it up and get the product out, and then I'll share it from there. Okay, as you can see in the square box, whenever I opened it, the pouch had the two different plugs there, the wind socks, and I guess you'd call them dead cat, some folks do, the instruction manual, and then DJI wireless mics. Okay, you can see what's in the box. I haven't charged it or done anything with it yet. It's just like it came out of the box. You see it already has a 3/4 charge and it has the two different transmitters, and the one here is a receiver, and this is for the Apple phone, iPhone, and this one's for the other phones, the Androids. What it looks like. It's got a little strap, so obviously it plugs on to, oh, you know what, it'll be the one that plugs into the shoe mount for a camera. I'm going to put a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one of these. I'm anxious to try it out.